Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change name in Zoom. Not on. How to change your name in Zoom. Now let's say you've opened up the Zoom app or in this or you're on the website, you signed up for the Zoom, you signed in to the Zoom, but now for one reason or the other, for reasons best known to you, I'm not going to private accent, you want to change the name. So what do you do? It's quite simple. First of all, from the home page, which is exactly where we are right now, look to the left. Over here, see some options: home, profile, meetings, webinars, events and seasons, phone, personal contacts, and the rest of them. So you click on profile. And then you come here, you can see this is where your profile pic is supposed to be. This is your name, display name and blah. So let's click on edit to change it. Now, first name, last name, display name. So we are trying to change the name. So the name, we can try to change the name. Instead of KC, edit, we can change it to something else. Like, let's say, John Cena. The wrestler, and I like him. John Cena. Or Jason Momoa. I think you can tell I'm into this kind of people. Good. Or I can just go for Robert Downey Jr. Yeah, I'm old school. I like them all. Alright. Or we can just go for, actually you're supposed to use your real name, so don't listen to me. This is when it comes to that aspect. You're actually supposed to use your name or the name you want to be used in the Zoom meeting. So you can use your real name or your official name. Everybody has the way they do it. You have different, I say, personas. Anyway, so you put in your first name, you put in your last name, and you can also change your display name. So enter your name, make sure your first name is first, your full name or your nickname. That will be shown to others on Zoom. Then you can also put in the name pronunciation in case your name is very special. For example, it might not be an English, it might even be an English name but pronounced differently, like this name. Now let me use this name for example. Now this is Caitlin. I pronounce it Caitlin. Some people pronounce it Kathleen. Some Catalan. Some blah blah blah. So we have cat, we have K, we have cart, we have different ways of pronouncing the name. So you can put a pronunciation by putting the phonetic spelling of your name to be displayed on your profile card, so people will to pronounce your name perfectly. And then you can put in the pronouns you want to be used to refer to you. He, she, it, they. You choose the pronouns you want. Then how would you like to share your pronouns? After putting your pronouns, the section will be open to you. The pronouns are always visible to your contacts on your profile card. Then you put in your location. So for example, San Jose, or for me, Texas. Then you put in the name of your company, name of your company organization, the name of the departments. Are you in the product department, the sales department, personnel, the job title, then the name of your manager, and his or his email address. And when you click on save, that's it. The settings have been updated. So as you can see, the reason why it's the same is okay. Let me change the user the display name so you understand. Let's use kitty cats. Some people call it cats. So let's use kitty cats. So this way, let's go and save it. And that's it. So the real name, which is your username, is Caitlin, or your real name is Caitlin. Don't forget putting your phone name. And then the username here is kitty cat. It's as simple as that. That is how to change name in Zoom. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this, which we put up every day. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.